What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review. Today we are going to talk about Fanttik Aero X, a robot vacuum pool cleaner. I believe this is one of the best robot vacuum pool cleaners available on the market. Considering the current price, yeah, it offers a very good value for money. But how is the performance? Yeah, we are gonna talk about that today. And well, all this started a few weeks ago when me and my girlfriend Kia visited our friend Eva. She has a nice pool, but we couldn't even get into the pool because it was so dirty. Long story short, last week we again visited her, and this time we have bought a Fanttik Aero X for our friend Eva. And what's the result? Well, you'll be able to check the result by yourself through this video. Before we start the video, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
This is hard fucking beeping after aliens. We on top of the world, we the sapiens. Do you understand massive complication there? Do you really think you know what I'm made of? My flow is so magical, I'm old, call me Gandalf. You can shine, but I'm about to go off. I don't wanna believe what I'm saying, but I cannot do this at all.
Developed by a team with DJI engineering roots, it fuses drone-grade sensor tech with next-gen robotics. It has already taken home the 2025 American Good Design Award, and after seeing it work, that win makes perfect sense. Now let's look at what gives this cleaner such a powerful edge in real-world use. Kicking things off with its cleaning core. This is where the Aero X really separates itself. At the heart is the TwinFlex system, made of two synced technologies, the Adapt Drive brush and the Swift Cruise Track platform. The Adapt Drive system senses build up and adjusts the brush rotation in real time, pushing harder where needed, especially near pool edges and the waterline. Working in tandem is the Swift Cruise platform. This flexible track design responds to changes in surface type and slope, staying locked in even on inclines up to 15 degrees. It's engineered for control, no matter the terrain. Then comes a true game changer, the world's first inclined waterline cleaning system. The angled body enhances surface grip along sloped pool walls. This increases cleaning coverage by 20% and cuts time by 40%, especially effective against stubborn limescale. Combined, this system turned what used to be a slow crawl into fast, intelligent action that doesn't stop at surface dirt. Now let's talk speed, coverage, and how this bot actually moves. The Aero X can clean up to 1076 square feet per hour, thanks to its 30 meters per minute top speed and a wide 15.7-inch rotating brush. It doesn't waste time, it redefines it. Fanttik calls this 4x cleaning efficiency, and once in action, it's easy to see why. Navigation is handled by Aquapilot, an intelligent pathfinding system powered by ultrasonic tracking and a custom-built algorithm. It constantly adjusts in real time, using input from the 12 precision sensors to optimize every route. The result? Efficient coverage with minimal overlap, avoiding blind spots and repeated loops from floor to wall to waterline. It handles all zones with intent and accuracy. In large or uniquely shaped pools, that level of calculation isn't a bonus, it's essential. This robot pool cleaner doesn't guess, it plans. Controlling the Aero X feels as advanced as its cleaning system. Through the Fanttik app, cleaning moods can be changed in real time, even while the cleaner is underwater. Want more control? Use the handheld remote for precise adjustments or to target specific problem areas. Battery life tops out at 6 hours on a single charge. When the power dips, the robot docks itself automatically at the nearest poolside point. No skimmer pole needed. Wow, that's really cool. Voice prompts give real-time updates for things like battery level, cleaning mode, and operation status.
Waterline. All around. Remote control connected.
And here is another smart touch. The application lets users monitor the filter basket's status, so maintenance is simple and performance stays high. From setup to shutdown, the Aero X turns pool cleaning into a seamless experience with high end control and zero frustration.
It's okay to be on top like
Daily use shows the Aero X isn't just smart, it's dependable. It climbs walls with ease, follows its route without drifting, and delivers results without the need for hands-on correction. It's a full-service cleaner that acts like it knows the job. For someone like my friend Eva, who'd rather be enjoying the pool than scrubbing it, the Aero X is a game changer. It's not just smart, it's intuitive, navigating with precision, adjusting in real time, and delivering spotless results without the hassle. Well, I haven't told this to my friend Eva. Right now, Fanttik is running a buy one, get one free promotion. Choose between a W10 Apex cordless chainsaw worth 150 bucks or a C8 Nano electric scissor worth 70 bucks as a bonus gift. Wow, that's really cool, right? Add in a $200 Amazon coupon and a $100 discount code linked below, and the total saving hits $300. So the final price is only $899. I think the deal won't last long. Everything needed to claim the offer is in the description box. If this cleaner fits the list, yeah, this is the perfect time to get one. Well, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
raise the flag and do the preparation. Welcome to reality, there's no way back. Welcome to reality. Can't fuck with that.